Hi guys, welcome to the vlog. My name is Aika. If you're new here, welcome. So today I'm heading to Dior because I actually need to alter my hat. If they have a smaller size available, then I'll just probably exchange mine to the new hat. It's really nice and warm outside. It's about 27 degrees. It's actually kind of hot even. And lines to Louis Vuitton become longer and longer, so yeah, that's crazy. Okay, let's go. Obsessed with the jewelry. I really want to get a bracelet or a necklace or a ring or both. Guitar straps, then this, I think it's the alligator slides. Super cool, and I also really love these slides. They're so pretty. I want to try this for sure. And they have the same ones in black, but I think I want the beige because I have a lot of black sandals. This is the book tote I was looking for. The red one. I'm actually glad I have the blue one, but the red one is also super pretty. And then there is a larger one in blue. This is my outfit. And I'm also matching my pearls on the shoes with the pearl earrings. Dior kitten heels, and they've got this one which is so nice and it matches the bag I showed just previously. So here's the next pair, and I really like the color. It will match the 30 Montaigne in burgundy that I have, and it's just a pretty color. So guys, I'm back home now. It was such a great day. Well, not even a day. I think I spent about an hour and a half in town, but it was a good 1 hour and a half. I got my hat exchanged. This is now a size 57, which is my perfect hat size. I think this still feels very comfortable, but not as loose as the previous one. The previous one was in size 58, which is, yeah, very big. Also, I tried on a couple of pairs of shoes and I love two particular pairs, but of course, if that was something I love, it wasn't available in my size. So I ordered one pair, we'll see if it arrives. I also checked out the Lady Dior's, you know, the last handbag to complete my bag collection is a Lady Dior in the ABC collection. I just love the size. I love the idea that you can add some charms on the handbag and you can sort of personalize it a little bit. I know I'm not for personalizing stuff, but I think I'm gonna go for something very general like CD letters and then a star or something like that, very basic. So it's not gonna be my initials, that's for sure. And yeah, I checked out those handbags. They were so beautiful and they had the colors, all the colors that I wanted, all the colors that you can now see from the website. So we'll see, maybe for my birthday I'll be able to get one. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys!